Welcome to the future of cleaning. This is the HeatSign Backpack Pulse Laser Cleaner, designed in China with precision and passion. No more heavy lifting. At just 17 kilograms, it's built for on-the-go tasks. Our cleaning head, just 700 grams, lightweight yet powerful. With a removable lithium battery, flexibility is right at your fingertips. Get started in moments. It's designed for quick startups, saving you time. Navigate with ease. Our interactive touchscreen supports 9 languages, catering to users worldwide. Ergonomically designed, the backpack ensures comfort even with extended use. Wireless freedom means seamless operation. Switch modes without a second thought. One key, one action. Dive into cleaning without the fuss. Not tied down. Our wireless mobility means you're free from spatial limitations. 8 distinct modes tailored for various materials, ensuring optimal cleaning every time. And the best part, it's non-contact. Clean without causing any harm to your object substrates.